Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You start by preparing the essentials. Equip Deathless vision and bind it to a quick key so you can react. Once done, confirm line of sight to the intended area and remove smoke or cover that blocks sensors. You should also check resource availability. If it costs 50 mana, make sure your pool is sufficient and use region items beforehand. Activate the ability with a short press to preview range, then hold to lock the initial anchor. This prevents miscasts and saves time during engagement. Once anchored, reposition strategically. Place the first anchor on high ground or behind durable cover so the vision lasts longer and resists interruption. Then link additional anchors within 30 meters to create overlapping coverage. This yields a near 360 degrees sweep rather than isolated blips. Use short pulses rather than continuous scans while hunting mobile targets. This conserves resources and reduces detection risk. Make sure to stagger link timing so each anchor refreshes before it times out. To finish, reinforce your anchors and switch to passive monitoring so you gather intel without revealing position. This helps you plan the assault or retreat. Once cooldown begins, use that window to resupply, reposition, and set new anchor points for the next engagement cycle. If the system is disrupted, visible by flicker or lost links, re-anchor immediately and check signal strength. A quick relocate to a cleaner line of sight fixes most failures. That single troubleshooting step prevents cascading detection issues.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.